All right, we're gonna head out camping here.
You show inside our Sienna.
Yep.
Tonight we sleep inside.
It's all our stuff in here.
Yes.
We got plenty of water, 6 gallons, our barbecue, our stove. We don't have any pots and pans yet. We still got to get that. And we're bringing the tow. So we're getting ready.
Yes.
I don't want to shower before we go. Well, we're setting up the tent.
Yes. And we try to go find many area to camping.
Yeah,
But same busy now.
Yep.
I a little bit forget to.
Now flip it over. Yeah, flip it over. And see these little holes? That's where they go. So they go in these. In these.
Now we can check. Steak.
Yes.
Yummy. Yummy. Still good. Green onion. And
Get going first.
I still cannot find my...
What's that?
The pepper?
Pepper?
Yes.
Oh, it might be in the other one.
Okay.
Yeah, because is this thing on right now?
I smell some already.
Oh, it was.
Huh?
It was on, or?
You want I cook all today or keep some for tomorrow?
What? Sausage?
The sweet potato?
Oh, just, yeah, you
Fine.
cook them all. Put the
Because
corn on there.
save the propane.
Yeah.
And put some corn too.
Yeah, put the corn and close it up.
Yeah.
Because that's probably going to take a while. See, these are the shoes from Mike. They're all wet.
Ah. How wide with?
The water was splashing on them, I think.
Yay. Are you hungry? You can wait. I give you some food soup.
Oh, yeah. Perfect.
Perfect, huh?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I want to cross here. I'm a little bit cold.
Yeah, I know, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I got jackets in there too, honey, so.
Smart.
Yeah. Is it recording right now?
I think so.
Oh, okay. Harry, where are you going? Get over here.
And after we cook this and we cook steak.
Right.
And we eat inside the tent or we eat inside the car. Or
You know, we could put some sausages in there right now. Cook those at the same time.
We better you can wait when steak.
Yeah, it's true.
Or you want to
They're like, I think they're pre-cooked.
Oh, really?
Something to put on.
Oh, I'm cold.
You want a jacket, honey?
No, I'm warm from here. I think
Good boy.
Maybe Harry hungry too.
You hungry, boy? You hungry?
เพราะว่ามีท้องนี้เสียงดัง
We do?
Hello. No.
Harry's like, whoa. Hi, Heather. Come here. Come on.
Chào, come here.
Hi, puppy girl. Yeah. You know how to jump high, don't you? Well, we could actually cook some in the pan too, honey. Like if we have to cook some sausage or something.
Maybe I change here.
That's fine. What do we got cooking in here, honey?
Corn and sweet potato.
Oh, sweet potato.
And corn.
Top.
Yes, and steak the last thing.
Steak. Maybe we'll put some bratwurst. Harry, get over here.
Oh, this chair still open already. Look at him.
Come here. quiet. Harry, get over here.
Harry, if Coyote come here, I cannot help you fast. Come here.
Harry, get over here.
Harry, he good listen. Uh-oh.
Heather, Harry, doggies, you hungry?
This work. Now start have rain already. We need to cook. We need to come back and cook more afterward.
Yeah, you know what we could do is put it right here, honey.
Huh?
Because underneath this, we're not getting rain.
Where?
Underneath this, you could put the stove right here.
Okay.
Want me to?
Yes.
Okay. Let me see
We
if I can
move.
pick it up. Well, yeah, I think you're gonna have to help me. Can you grab that side? I grab this one.
Okay.
Just pick it up from these.
แป๊บนึงค่ะโอเค
Pick it up. Way at the bottom. Okay. Okay. Watch out, Heather. Alright. Right. Put it down right. Oh, he's good. These, or we can put
We
them
move.
underneath here.
because rain coming.
It started to rain, so we well, it kind of stopped already, so never mind. But we still got the stuff cooking in here.
โอ้ดีนะ
The corn.
wait
Sweet potatoes, and they're looking good.
this same burn
Burn
but it's okay no it's
inside is good, right?
yeah I hope
Yeah, that should be all right. And after this, we're gonna put our steaks on. Looking good. Put some onions on there. Great. Perfect. Looking good. Be eating in no time.
yes
Should we set up the bed?
yeah I think good for tonight. Look at Heather. We sleep inside here tonight. Why? You remember? We do before when you are little girl. Ơi.
All right.
What are you doing now?
Open up the sleeping bags. I'm probably not gonna sleep inside it tonight. Maybe, I don't know. Might be too hot.
We have tent, but our tent put our stuff only.
Yeah.
We sleep inside here.
Yep.
Because I scared about the bear. Look our bed. Hey, comfortable.
Yep. Mm. She's going to play. Mm-hmm.
Almost. I think this fine. Already?
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
It's okay.
Peel it anyways, huh?
No, it's okay. I give you.
Okay, thanks. That one feels like it's harder.
This need more.
Yeah. Why don't you turn it over?
Can you give me the
Plates?
yes.
Okay.
This more too. Harry, maybe Harry hungry already. Are you hungry? Harry? You want some steak? Yeah. Harry want some steak เหรอคะลูก Or this?
I don't know if these are clean, but they're probably just dusty. So.
I put on top like this.
We can cook some sausages too, honey.
Yes, we can put now.
I want the green onions too.
Okay. Oh, green onion and my pepper.
Yeah. Chilies.
Yep. Okay, we can cook more now. Perfect.
There, look, get out of there. Pepper. We could even throw a tomato on there. It would be good. Did we bring tomato?
Yeah, but better wait for sandwich or something. Because I bring one only.
Okay. All right.
And I like green onion. Green onion be cooked fast.
All right. There you go. There you go. Honey, just put them in there and cover the top. Like this. And cover it. Stay warm.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want more pepper? You want some spicy?
Maybe I'll eat one. Yeah.
How many you want? One?
Yeah, just one.
I give you one.
Okay.
The green like this bit spicy. Yes.
That's in the little ice, yes.
Oh, Heather, this is my pillow. And my baby. Baby boy. We need to cook under here until
Did you already open these, honey? Did you open them?
No,
Okay.
I'm not open.
I guess they aren't open yet. Here, let me get them kind of out a little bit. I don't think you can pull them out, honey. Let's cook two. Yep. Or should we cook more? I got 4 here. We save that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're so excited.
No, because he hungry.
Yeah.
The time for the time for dinner already.
Did they eat breakfast? Well, they ate breakfast. Yeah.
Yeah, the breakfast, but still not eat for dinner. Are you hungry? You need to wait. I'm hungry too.